When it comes to industrial temperature measurement, thermocouples are one of the most widely used sensor types. But a common question comes up: do thermocouples need to be powered? The short answer is no. Thermocouples do not require external power to generate a signal. Thermocouples operate based on a principle called the Seebeck effect. When two dissimilar metals are joined at the sensing junction and exposed to heat, they generate a small electrical voltage. That voltage corresponds to the temperature difference between the hot junction and the reference junction. Because of this, the thermocouple is a passive device. It creates its own signal, requires no external excitation, and outputs a very small millivolt level voltage. However, while the thermocouple itself doesn't need power, the device reading it often does. In industrial applications, this typically includes temperature controllers, PLC input modules, data acquisition systems, or signal conditioners. These devices measure the thermocouple's millivolt signal, apply cold junction compensation, and convert that signal into a usable temperature reading. Without instrumentation, the thermocouple signal can't be interpreted. The distinction is important, especially when installing or troubleshooting a system. Because thermocouples don't require power at the sensor, wiring is relatively simple. You only need two conductors, and there's no need to run power to the sensing point. Thermocouples are also well suited for harsh environments with no electronics at the sensing junction. They can often withstand high temperatures, vibration, and demanding industrial conditions. If a thermocouple isn't working, it's rarely because it needs power. The issue is typically wiring, a damaged sensor, or a problem with the measurement device. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. For additional pricing and technical questions, contact us at htsInd.com. Harold G. Schaevitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.